That's Bob Wilson singing a song around and said, "I think one of the best keyboard players in the world." We all know that. Here's my song. I'm riding live. It says, "The recipe to a good long life." Well, I'm no prophet, but I can just talk from my own experience. I'm 70 years old, never been in a hospital in my life. The main thing, number one, now, if you believe in God, I'm not a preacher. Don't expect no sermon or anything. I ain't doing that. Now, I'm not passing out a collection plate, which most of them do. I don't do that. It's all free advice, friends. If you believe in God, then that's great. Okay, have your goals. Take care of your health. Take care of your health is number one. I don't care if you have $1 billion. Your health is number one. Okay, forgive everyone. It's hard. People that you've known all your life betray you. I've had that happen. Forgive everyone. You know, be kind and generous to everyone. I mean, you know, I took a lot. I've been people that ripped me off thousands of dollars. But I'm very good with money. I'm stupid sometimes. Over-generous is my problem. Don't be over-generous, man. Or don't feel guilty. Oh, my God. I own stuff and other people don't. Because I worked my ass off. I worked non-stop 40 years. I went to school off and on and 15 years at night. I skimmed through 150 books while working 7 days a week. I went to tutors. School of Hard Knocks, night division, man. The recipe to a long life. Now I'm 70 years old. In my mind, I'm 20 years old again. I got a couple old hot rod classic cars in the backyard and music and go up to Texas Ranch and goof off and have a few friends, a handful. It's a recipe to a good long life. Okay, I'm not going to preach about the things that hurt your body like smoking, drinking, drugs, you know, all that stuff. I don't do any of that stuff. Both my parents were heavy smokers, and my dad passed away at 73 years old of emphysema. My mom lived to be 92, but 6 years of breathing machines. It was very hard for her to breathe, man. Yeah, I don't do all that stuff. Thank God my sister quit smoking cold turkey about 10 years ago because she couldn't afford the cigarettes. I drank. I was at the in crowd at 14 years old. At 14 years old, I had a car. No girlfriend, but I had a car. And I drank beer with the other guys, you know. I don't handle beer very well, you know. And I drank from 14 years old to 24. And at 24, I didn't like it. I didn't want it. I didn't do it. And I had a guy one time, he told me I was at a party in 1976, and I was 26 years old. He says, "You're not drinking?" I said, "No." He says, You ever heard the saying, never trust a man that doesn't drink? I said, "You ever heard the saying, never trust a drunk?" The recipe to a long life, kids. The main thing, your health. If you believe in God, pray in God over your sins, you know, have a goal in your life, what you want to accomplish, and then have a will. Have a will. Because I assure you, if you do not leave a will, you own a house and property and stuff, it'll go to the state. I'm in the state of Texas, the railroad state church, I have a will. You know, people are going to fight over your stuff when you die. You know, you don't want that. So, you know, that's a recipe to a long life. Believe in God if you believe in God. Stay healthy. Forgive everybody. Be generous to everybody. Be kind. Just live a nice, simple life.